The Navigator is a small window in the Lightroom interface, which allows you to zoom into different parts of your image, and reflects which part of the image is selected when using the zoom function and hand tool. With your chosen image selected, clicking anywhere in the Navigator screen will zoom into that area to the amount selected on the far right. This amount is adaptable by clicking on the arrows and selecting the desired percentage. Clicking on Fit will zoom back out to the image filling the working area. Fill will fill the image left to right. This has a greater effect on a portrait-style photo. In the Library module, you can make the Navigator window behave as a preview window. Go up to Edit, and then click on Preferences, or press the keys Command+ on a Mac or Control+ in Windows. In the Interface tab, select Show Photos in Navigator on mouseover in the Film Strip section. The Library Navigator now enables you to quickly view a photo in the film strip when you hover your mouse over the thumbnails. To get the zoom to auto-center when you click on an area, go to Preferences and the Interface tab again. Select Zoom Click Point to Center in the Tweaks section. The zoom will center the selected point in the working area, even at the edge of a photo. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.